Today, I'm going to be updating my everyday carry of 2025, aka my EDC. Now, I'm here in the beautiful city of Las Vegas, here for CES. And by the way, it is about 5 o'clock in the morning, 6:30 right now. So you guys are gonna see the sunset in the background. I'm here at the Wynn Hotel. And let me tell you, this hotel is absolutely insane. I'm gonna show you guys the room towards the end of this video. But anyway, let's kick things off with my phone. Now, my primary phone has to be the iPhone 16 Pro. Essentially, the iPhone 16 Pro is an iPhone 15 with that camera control button, which honestly, I've been using it a lot. Now I have my action button set to the flashlight, so I just press that down, and now I can be able to turn on and off the flashlight. Went with 1 terabyte, you guys already know, go big or go home. 1 terabyte is an absolute blessing. I don't have to worry about space or anything like that. Now, the case that I'm rocking out is actually from Nomad. I love me some leather, just that premium look. It feels good in the hands. Nomad is gonna be your best bet if you want a leather case, and I gotta say, they definitely did deliver. Now, in terms of my secondary phone, it's usually always an Android phone, and I'm always constantly switching out Androids. So this is the OnePlus 13, the latest and greatest from OnePlus. OnePlus is back on the map with this one. The camera, especially on that ultra wide, is absolutely bananas. The case I'm rocking out with is the official OnePlus Oak. This kind of give you like that wood feel. It is a wood feel. I just love me just leather and just that wood, just kind of give you that manly feeling, you know? It just feels good in the hands. And usually, honestly, I don't even rock out with cases in general. I'm surprised I even have cases on these devices. Now, in terms of my watch, I'm using the Apple Watch Ultra. This is the first generation actually, with the Nomad graphite titanium band. Although the battery life is degrading rapidly, just because this has been out since 2022, the Apple Watch will always be my everyday watch just because it tracks your steps. And I also use it to track my workouts too as well, control my home accessories. It's a fantastic everyday watch, but once in a blue moon, you want to ball out with a real watch. And depending on what outfit you have it on, like having a real watch just complements that outfit nicely. Now, this is a G-Shock. It's not even like an AP or anything like that. It looks expensive, but that just shows you don't need to spend that much money for a good looking watch. And it's just gonna complement you well. I mean, having a nice watch is everything. Now, in terms of my eyewear, I don't wear glasses, but I do like to wear sunglasses. And these are the Meta glasses. And let me tell you, I tell you guys time and time again, I recommend these 110%. Now, yeah, they look like regular glasses, regular clear glasses, but when I step outside and the UV light hits it with the sun, now they turn into sunglasses. And let me tell you, this is the best thing since sliced bread, because not only these are glasses, it also has a camera on the front, so it gives you an FOV on what's going on. So sometimes when you're recording and you're creating content, sometimes you miss the moment by just taking out your phone and opening up the camera app, or even using your action button. It's just simple, press this button and now you're recording. You're recording just like that, no problems, you're not missing that moment. And same thing with pictures. You take a picture, boom. And I can also listen to music, talk on the phone without having AirPods. And you can even ask Meta certain requests too as well. Now, I know a lot of people don't like AI and asking Meta anything. That's fine. But as regular smart glasses with a camera, this is just a no-brainer. This is probably my favorite tech of all time. I mean, I know I'm probably glazing these, but they really that good. They're really that good. I'm considering buying different colors, because they have one that transition red with the transparent side. They have so many variations of the Meta glasses, and even the case just looks regular too. You just charge up the case on the bottom via Type-C and you're good to go. Now, next up, I like to bring some sort of earbuds. In this situation right now, I brought my AirPods Pro 2, but I always like to bring my AirPods because I talk on the phone, FaceTime, I like to listen to music. And yes, the Meta glasses can be able to, you can do that, but I want to be able to isolate the background. I want to be able to focus on the call, because it gets noisy. It gets pretty noisy. And yes, you should be aware of your surroundings, but yeah, sometimes I need to close everything out sometimes. Next, I like to bring my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And let me tell you something. I can't show it to you guys right now because I am recording a time lapse. I want to be able to see that sunrise come up. I'm gonna show it to you guys too when it's done. But yeah, I love the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Something that's so tiny, small, it's perfect for CES. There's so much going on here that usually, you know, bringing a big bulky camera is going to be cumbersome. So having the little Osmo Pocket 3 to record vertical videos or even horizontal videos while keeping the shot steady, because it's basically like built-in gimbal, it's literally a cheat code. Even on a regular everyday basis, I either bring that or I bring my camera here, which is the A7CR, which you guys are watching this video on right now. I like to bring some sort of camera just to capture the moment. And yes, you could use your phone, but nothing beats having an actual camera. It's a day and night difference when it comes down to the quality. Oh, and how can I forget to talk about my wallet? The magic of editing, I wouldn't be able to just swap the clips, but you guys are gonna tell because the sun set. But yes, I do rock out with MagSafe wallets. I put it on the back of my phone. So now this is the only thing that I need to bring and I'm out the door, literally, because I have my room key, I have my cards, I have my ID. You could be able to track it using the official Find My app on your iPhone. It makes a little sound too if you can't find it. You could store as many cards as you want because it has like an elastic. Now in terms of my keys, for right now, for this trip, it's redundant because I just used the room key. I have my regular car keys and I have my house keys, and I have an air tag attached to it. So it's a little accessory to put the air tag along with the keys. And next, this is the Charge power bank. It's a whopping 10,000 milliamps. It's small, it's compact, and it's getting so bright outside, so I'm at to lower down that ISO a little bit. But it has USB-C and it also has USB-A. I rarely use the USB-A. I only use the Type-C majority of the time. And it has a cool little transparent look on the top. And if you look at the majority of Charge power banks, they basically have that same theme going. Look at that, look at that. Absolutely incredible. Here's a quick little pan. I know I got that water bottle there. I'm actually gonna go to the convention before I go. Let me tell you something about this bed. This is the most comfortable bed ever. That memory foam, that firmness. I need to get me one of these beds. I looked it up, it costs $4,000. So the cool thing about the bathroom, you have that artwork there, you have the lights, and then you have a separate room for the toilet, which makes sense because, well, you want to keep that smelling good. But one thing that really amazes me with this room, it has Amazon Echo support. I like to close the chairs.
Okay.
So now you have that closing. That's incredible. I brought all the things I need to travel with. So I always bring my Peak Design 35-liter backpack. Do you guys say book bag or backpack? Slide in your iPad, slide in your MacBook, and you have compartments to actually store other things such as cables, SD cards, cameras, whatever the case may be. Store your tech, put it in a backpack. But alongside with that, if you have a bunch of cables, I highly recommend you get some sort of side-by-side pouch. So this is a pouch to store all your cables. If I don't have this in my bag when I'm away, when I'm traveling, I'm gonna have a rough trip because all my cables that I need to charge my devices are in here. Now it's empty now because I already set everything up. Anytime I go away, I always have this full and I just leave it in my suitcase. Usually what I do if I'm packing up to go away, I always buy the same things twice. So my toothbrush, which I got from Life-In, I buy that twice. So I have one at home right now and I keep one in my travel pouch. So I don't need to take anything out at home and then I have to worry about leaving it at home. No. Pairing that up with the MagSafe Dual from Apple, I charge my iPhone via MagSafe and my Apple Watch, and it makes for a pretty good nightstand clock too as well. So I also have a 65-watt power adapter from Nomad. I think it's amazing for traveling. It's not gonna take up too much space. Now over-the-ear headphones that I like to travel with, I flip-flop between the XM5s from Sony's, or I like to use the AirPods Max. The comfort is out of this world. The sound quality is excellent. The noise canceling is excellent. I love these. All this tech going on and everything, you gotta have some sort of fanny pack for when you actually going out. This one here is from Time Talk. This is custom too, actually. You can build your own. So I have on the side that says Simply. And the mic that you guys are hearing right now is the DJI Mic 2. All right, I think that's about it. That's pretty much all the things I carry. Alexa, turn off all the lights. Here, having that at a hotel is crazy. But it doesn't even stop there. I can also say, Alexa, close the curtains.
Okay.
And now it's closing those curtains. That is incredible. So now it's gonna get super dark in here now.